Welcome back to another ESL video. Worksheets are the worst. If you're a student, they're incredibly boring. If you're a teacher, you're pretty much just giving it to them so that you can have like a little break, because being an ESL teacher is so exhausting. Lots of games, lots of like high energy teaching a lot of the time. So sometimes also, if you're like my students have exams at the end of the year, so you kind of have to give them some kind of written tests as well, or written work as well, to like, you know, help them prepare for the end of year exams. So we do have to give worksheets out sometimes, and worksheets are so boring if you're a student, and you know, kids get distracted and half the class might not even finish them. So how do you make worksheets more fun so that students will want to finish them? And we do exactly the same way, by playing a game. And by doing that, I bring in, so you know, I've got the class into different teams, and I bring one student from each team up to the front of the class, and I give them enough worksheets to give out to everyone in that row. And it becomes a race. So the first team to finish the worksheets, well, gets the most points. And if you've got like 4 teams, which I usually do with worksheets, then you know, you can use like 4 points, 3 points, 2 points, 1 point. So one student will dish out all the worksheets, and then another part is like, I break my worksheets down into smaller sections. So maybe they would have 2 or 3 worksheets in that one section. Instead of having one giant page of worksheet, they break it down. So it's like one student, one student, one student, one student, and they have to tear the paper apart. It gives another action towards the race that they are doing. And then your best student in your class will finish the worksheet first. And then that student is now allowed to help, in English, the other students finish the worksheet. Not by copying, of course, because you take that student's piece of paper and now he can go around and help the other students finish their work. And then as they slowly finish, the students are helping each other in English, because you know, they can't copy because you keep taking their sheets as they finish. Then the first team to have everyone finish the worksheet gets all the points. And I also do the same thing with books. Like if you've got lots of bookwork, I collect in all the books, and then like I mix them all up, and then they kind of got to find that book, like which book's my book, and then they like do like, you know, questions, whatever part of the book that you want them to do, and then you take all the books back in, maybe play a game, and then they have to finish the rest of the book, and by like finding their names. All right, this is how I try to make worksheets more fun and make sure the students who struggle more never even attempt to do the worksheet because it's just beyond them. Gives them a way to finish the worksheet. They get help from another student and not from me standing over them. Another student can help them, and so that the better student is also improving their English as they help the students who are slightly struggling. And it's just a good way to like get worksheets done overall. Anyway, I hope this helped. If you guys have another way of how to make worksheets fun, please let me know, because worksheets are the hardest part to make fun. The part that the students never want to do. Students never want to do worksheets, obviously. Anyway, I hope this video helped. If it does, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all soon. As they say in China, bye bye.